Welcome students, I am Arvind Sharma and I am starting a class on the first chapter of mathematics of class 10th NCERT, that is real numbers. Just to make the continuity of the chapter, I am designated this as video 1 chapter 1. So let me start introducing to the number system. We all are so used to the numbers that we hardly ever thought there could be a system of numbers. Some of these systems we have been studying and few of them will study in the subsequent classes. So any number we can classify as real number and imaginary number. Till this class, we have been studying part of real number, and imaginary numbers we shall be studying in the subsequent classes, class 11. So real numbers are again divided into a number of branches. Most common to us, natural numbers. Whole numbers, integers, and now natural numbers again. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 or themselves. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Composite numbers, as the name suggests, composite means which contains the part of the numbers, or in simpler words, which can be broken into the product of prime numbers. For example, 4, 2 into 2, 6, 2 into 3, then say 10, 2 into 5, say 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and so on. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are all natural numbers plus 0. Means natural numbers were normal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Integers. Integers are the whole numbers plus the negative of that sequence. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Now, you had been introduced in the class 9th to two type of numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers, all those numbers which can be put in the form P and over Q, where Q is not equal to 0. P and Q belongs to natural numbers. This is the sign belongs to in the set language. So P and Q belongs to natural numbers. Q is not equal to 0. P and Q do not have a common factor. And as the name suggests, irrational. So all those numbers which are not rational falls in the category of irrational numbers. Details of this will be taken up as the discussions progress. These were some of these terms you were introduced in the class 9th. Now I take that topic further to the class 10th. The things that you need to know before I proceed further: lemma, theorem, and algorithm. Lemma is a universal truth. Theorem is something that we prove depending on the already known factors. Algorithm are the steps to achieve our goal, our logic, what we want to prove. So I begin with Euclid's division lemma. In the plain words, Euclid's division lemma states that if there be a number x, any natural number x, it can always be represented in the form of b into q plus r. For example, say 7. $23. Now again taking you back. Can you guess something out of this? Which type of number is this? Yes. Any guess? This is a prime number. Just recollect the definition. A number is said to be prime if it is divisible by 1 or itself. 23. 1 or this. Remainder being 0. So this is Euclid's division lemma, which tells us that any number can be represented as a product of any two numbers plus the remainder. So this is all about Euclid's division lemma.